everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make one shaft with multiple keyway. So let's start. First, select the front plane, sketch, then select the line, make the sketch. Okay. Then we will give the dimension. Here we will keep 12 mm. Here we will keep 15 mm. Length we will make 500. Okay. Let's make 250. Okay. Now, okay. Go to feature, show base bus, select this line. Okay. Now our shaft is ready. Now we will cut the keyway. For the keyway, select front plane, go to reference geometry, select plane. So our shaft diameter is 30 mm. So here we will select 15. You can see. Okay. Select front plane, sketch, normal. For the keyway, first select the center line. With the center line, okay. Select this. Then make the keyway. Okay. Okay. Then we will give the dimension. Select the small dimension. Eight. So length we will keep 25. Okay. Make 8 mm. Okay. 25. From here also 30. So for the keyway, our sketch is ready. Now we'll cut the keyway. Go to feature, extrude cut. So here we'll select 4 mm. Okay. So now you can see our keyway is cut. Let's hide this one. Okay. So we have to cut one keyway here also. So for that, select front plane, go to reference geometry, select plane. So this side our shaft diameter is 24. So here we will keep 12 mm. Okay. Select this front plane, sketch, normal. Again we have to select center line, make center line in here. Okay. Select the keyway. Okay. Give the dimension 3 mm. Eight mm. Here we'll make 4 mm. 5. Okay, go to feature, extrude cut. Okay, so hide this one also. So our shaft is ready. Now cut the chamfer. For the chamfers, go to chamfer, select this edge, 2 mm. Now let's make 1.1 mm. Okay, select this edge, chamfer, 1 mm. Okay, this face, chamfer, we'll put 0.5. Okay, okay, so our shaft is ready. Thanks for watching.